Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in today's video, I am going to show you what you can do if you encounter problems while deleting your phone number on Facebook. Now, this is going to be quick and easy, so let's do this. Alright, so first on your mobile device, you can go ahead and actually open up Instagram because Instagram and Facebook, they share your information. Now, what you can do from here is go to your profile on the bottom right corner, and from here tap on the three bars on the top right and go to settings and privacy. Now, once you're in here, tap on accounts center, and here tap on personal details. Now, once in here, you will see your contact information. So let's tap on contact information. Now here, you will see your email address and your phone numbers that are attached to Facebook and Instagram. Now, this is the number that I want to delete in Facebook. So what I have to do is tap on this one. So here we can see that this is connected to my Facebook. And what I can do from here is you can tap on delete number and tap on delete. So you would need to provide your password here, and after you enter your password, tap on continue and you should be good to go. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.